Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can share group chat invite link on Instagram. So guys, here I have already opened my Instagram application on my phone. And the first thing we're going to do is opening our Instagram group chat. So we can just go to Instagram direct message, and this is my group chat. I'm going to open it. Then after that, we're going to click on the Instagram group chat's name right here. Tap on the option, then you can simply click on the invite link to share the invite link of your group chat. Tap on this option, then click on copy. Okay, and now the invite link has been copied, and you can share this link to another application or another social media, or you can also send in Instagram. It's up to you. And alright guys, that's how we can share group chat invite link on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.